Looking for a healthy and delicious meal? Let us introduce you to Diet Orzo Liver Casserole. This dish combines the chewy goodness of orzo, a type of short, round pasta, with the rich flavor and nutritional benefits of animal liver. It's a protein powerhouse that also packs in some valuable nutrients. Orzo provides complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, while liver is an excellent source of iron and vitamin B12. Are you curious how to whip up this protein-packed dish? Stay tuned. Before we get started, gather your ingredients. For this wholesome dish, we'll need 200 grams of orzo, a type of short, round pasta that's not only delicious, but also a great source of energy. We also need 300 grams of animal liver, such as chicken or veal liver. Liver is a protein powerhouse and also packed with essential nutrients like iron and vitamin A. Next, we need 1 medium-sized onion and 2 cloves of garlic, both finely chopped. These will give our casserole a depth of flavor. We also need 1 chopped tomato, which adds a fresh, tangy kick. The recipe also calls for 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of spices like cumin, coriander, and turmeric, and a pinch of salt and black pepper for taste. Lastly, we need 2 cups of light vegetable broth, a quarter cup of low-fat mozzarella cheese, optional, and a warm preheated oven. Now that we have all of our ingredients, it's time to start cooking. With our ingredients ready, we can start creating our delicious casserole. The first thing we need to do is saute our onions and garlic. This is a crucial step that will lay the foundation for the rich, aromatic flavors of our dish. Remember, cooking is all about layering those flavors, so don't rush this part. Let the onions and garlic slowly release their essence into the olive oil, turning soft and translucent. Next, we add our liver to the pan. The liver is a powerhouse of protein and other nutrients, making it a key ingredient in our healthy casserole. You'll want to keep stirring until the liver changes color and is fully cooked. Don't be tempted to skip this step, as undercooked liver can have a tough texture and a strong flavor that can overwhelm our dish. Now, it's time to add our chopped tomatoes and spices. The tomatoes add a vibrant color and a sweet, tangy flavor that balances the richness of the liver. As for our spices, cumin, coriander, turmeric, they're the secret to giving our casserole its unique, warm, and earthy character. Once our ingredients are well combined, we stir in our cooked orzo. This short, round pasta will soak up all the flavors in our pan, making every bite a deliciously satisfying experience. We're now ready to pour in our light vegetable broth gradually, while continuing to stir. This will ensure that our ingredients blend together smoothly, creating a harmonious symphony of tastes. Once our mixture is well incorporated, we transfer it to a buttered baking dish, cover it with aluminum foil, and pop it into a preheated oven. With our casserole in the oven, we're almost done, but there's one final step. After about 20 to 25 minutes, we remove the foil and sprinkle some low-fat mozzarella cheese on top. If you wish, of course. This step is optional, but it does add a lovely melty texture and a creamy flavor that complements our casserole beautifully. We then return the dish to the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes until the cheese is golden and bubbly. And voila! Our Diet Orzo Liver Casserole is ready to be enjoyed. Just let it cool a bit before serving and you're good to go. Now that our casserole is ready, it's time to serve it up and enjoy. This dish is best served warm, straight out of the oven. You can cut it into equal portions, perfect for sharing with family or friends. To complement the rich flavors of the orzo and liver, consider pairing this casserole with a fresh green salad or some grilled vegetables. The crispness of the veggies will provide a nice contrast to the hearty casserole. This Diet Orzo Liver Casserole isn't just delicious, it's also packed with nutritional benefits. The orzo, a type of short, round pasta, is a good source of carbohydrates, providing energy for your body. The liver, whether you've used chicken or veal, is an excellent source of protein, essential for muscle growth and repair. Not to mention, liver is rich in many vital nutrients, including vitamin A, iron, and B vitamins, which are key for overall health. Olive oil used in this recipe is known for its heart-healthy fats, while the assortment of spices not only add flavor, but also pack an array of health benefits, from anti-inflammatory properties to boosting your immune system. And there you have it, a delicious and nutritious Diet Orzo Liver Casserole. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy.